Let's wire up an electric range. It is a Thursday and we are in Fall River, Massachusetts today. And this customer called us out because they're going to be getting rid of their old range and upgrading to a new one. So that means we got to upgrade the size of the wire as well as replace the breaker. So we're going to be installing some number 6 SCR and then putting in a 40 amp Siemens GFCI breaker. When I got to the job site, I actually noticed that the customer's water main was starting to leak. And then when I took the panel cover off, I actually noticed that the panel was starting to take in water. So the water is actually following in the neutral all the way down, dripping down the panel there and starting to corrode the bottom of the panel as well as the 2-pole 100 breaker. There's some corrosion on the bus bar. I'm going to show you that very shortly. So once I found this out, I informed the customer right away of the issues that we found. And just because you're there just to do the range doesn't mean that you don't inform the customer of any other issues that you find. It's very important to be honest and transparent with the customer and to inform them of any other issues you find. That's just how we do it here at Schechter Electric. It's all about honesty and integrity with us. So once I got my SCR ran here nice and neat, and then I did a nice service loop here, and then I did another service loop there as it enters into the first floor there. And the reason why I did that is just in case they need to move the plug in the near future for any reason, they have enough slack on that cable. It's just something that I like to do. Now I got the circuit number labeled on the range plug there. It's circuit number 8 and 9 right there. And then I also got it clipped to the baseboard there just to keep it out of the way. And this was all installed based on the range specifications. I also have the breaker labeled right there, range. So now we're moving on to the second job of the day. We're going to be doing another oven. So here I'm showing you guys that they actually tape the flex from the factory, and you got to make sure that you actually remove that flex, because if you go to put a connector on that and tighten it down, that tape is going to insulate that sheath from being grounded. So it's very important that you remove it. And take a look at how sweet this turned out, nice and neat. So if you're in Massachusetts or Rhode Island, give us a call. We are taking new clients, and I personally answer every call.